IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So what is an IDE? It is an environment which contains everything needed for developing Python programs. It has many features like a very good looking and visual text editor, autofill suggestions, also called as IntelliSense, auto spacing and indenting, code completion. It runs the program and shows the output there itself. It has a debugger to correct our errors and bugs. It has checkpoint system so that we can interpret our code in different parts. One of the best IDEs available is PyCharm. So let's see how to install it. To install it, open your browser and search in the Google for PyCharm. Go to the JetBrains official website. Click on download and click on download community edition. It will start downloading. Once you open the downloaded file, this is the initial screen that you will see. Click next, next. Check all of these options and click next and click install. After 2 minutes, your PyCharm IDE will be ready for coding. After the installation is completed, just click finish. This is what you will see when you initially open the application. Click on new project. A project is a folder where you store all of your related Python files. I am going to name my project demo project. Notice that it is using the interpreter that we downloaded in the last video, that is Python 3.9. Now click create and it will create the virtual environment for you in a few seconds. This is what you will see after it has completed. Here is your project as a folder named demo project. Inside it are all of your project files, and by default this main.py file is included. I will close that. Now to create a new file, I'll right click on the project and say new directory. I'll enter the directory name as module number 1, and in the module 1 I'll create a new Python file. I will name this Python file test, and test.py file is created for us. Now this is the IDE. As I told you before, it has various features like a very good looking text editor. It has keyword recognition. Let's say I type Indian servers. Notice that it's in one color, but if I type while, it turned into orange color because while is a keyword in Python. You will learn about keywords later in this course. And if I type print, notice that it is showing me a few suggestions. This is called IntelliSense. When you type something it already knows, it will show you a bunch of suggestions of what you might want to type. There are many features like these in IDEs, especially in PyCharm, but throughout this course we won't be using PyCharm. We will be using something even more feature rich and even more intuitive and easier than IDEs. Those are called IPython notebooks or Jupyter notebooks. We will see what they are in the next video.